There's 3 deers across the channel, and I'm like not very far away, 25 feet from them. This is Thomas Thompson, Indiana. So beautiful. There was a little one that was, there was some geese, Canadian geese overhead. There's a little deer when I was younger, and I'd give it corn. And there's this here mother's got 2 babies with her. I assume she's probably her. She's so pretty, and the male's in there too. Males stay back further. You can even see her reflection in the river. Hello, sweetie. Do you remember me? Huh? You remember me? Merry Christmas. Today's December 25th, 2018. Christ was born. Jesus was born by Virgin Mary. This is really unique. This is my Christmas present. This is truly my Christmas present, seeing my deer. Sure, this is the one that I raised. She was stayed around the wild out here. Merry Christmas, honey. I love you. I love you, sweetie. This is Thomas Thompson in Indiana, United States. I just really love her so much. Hello, Merry Christmas, everybody. This is truly a Christmas present for me. If you'd only understand, that deer right there is very special to me. I could not get her to come right up to me, but she would come, 5 feet. She knew I was feeding her corn, but I couldn't get her to come real close. She hangs around. There she goes. There she goes. Okay. It's Christmas. Today is Christmas. December 25th, 2018, the Thomas Thompson. All right, signing off with her dear friends. There they go. There they go. Yep, they just came over to, there they all go. Just come over to say hello. There they go. Truly a unique life out here in the wilderness. Okay. This is Tama along the Tippecanoe River in Indiana, USA. Signing off.